guys, I'm eating tteokbokki, one of Korean's famous street food. It looks delicious and the sauce so good. It's really good. That's why I encourage you guys to try this. It's like amazing. Try it. It's sticky, sweet and spicy. I like it as the spice give it a flavor, and the sweet. It's really yummy, like ultra. You can imagine my face. So good. Guys, if you want to taste this, buy some at night market. It happens every Wednesday at Botany, and it's really good. My brother really liked it, so we try to cook it, and we really love it. So yeah, click the subscribe button and like for more, and we'll see you guys at the next video. Bye!